Hi, my name is Allison and I'd like to show you how to send a message on your Mobile Text Alerts account. To send a message, navigate to the Send a Message tab and walk through the steps provided. First, choose when you want to send the message. You can choose to send the message now or schedule it to send at a specific date and time. Next, choose who you want to send the message to. You can send the message to all subscribers in your contacts list, any selected individuals, or specific groups that you've created. The final step is to choose what you want the message to say. First, choose if you would like to send your message as an SMS, which is a regular text, or MMS, which uses more credits but allows you to include more characters and send an image. You can type the message free form, insert a custom template, or insert tracked links to your website. You can also add variables such as your recipient's first name. Take a look at the preview on the right-hand side, which will show you exactly what the message will look like when it's sent. And when you're ready, just click Send. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us on our contact page or use the live chat on our website. And of course, if you don't have a free Mobile Text Alerts account, please click the link or button near this video and sign up today.